This is how you would set up version 3 to stake a line with an offset. Press Home, Stake. Now you want to select your line. You can reverse the line direction by tapping this icon. Press OK, Accept. Now to actually offset your line and edit the vertical data, press the TRIMBLE key, Settings, Line Settings. Right here you can put in your 4-foot offset. You can choose left or right. This is based on the direction of your line. Stakeout elevation. Design surface elevation at the line is our primary source. Line start station, leave it 0. Station interval, you can set this to whatever fits your needs. You can auto advance to the next station, the previous station, or manually select your stations. We're going to choose to the next station. Create tangent and corner points, always select yes.